Within the Medici chapel are the early works of a young artistic genius named Michelangelo, and the remains of the most influential family members of Renaissance Italy. The Medici chapel is covered with an encyclopedic display of exotic stones and marble from all over the world. It is truly astounding in its display of familial wealth and power. Consider that in 1962, more than 300 years after the last Medici to rule Florence had died, additions were still being made to this temple of opulence. The final touches were made when precious stones were inlaid depicting the Medici family coat of arms. Fascinatingly, this temple to the Medici wasn't even the original plan. Originally, the Medici family wanted to have the holiest of churches in Jerusalem, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, disassembled and reassembled here. This, the church, where Christians believe Jesus was resurrected after being taken off the cross. The plan to resurrect or rebuild the church here was to show not only the power and prestige of the Medici family, but so too signified their resurrection of the Italian peninsula due to the Medici during the Renaissance. This symbolically would link them to Christ himself. Eventually, the plans were abandoned and the current temple you see here was built. Yet, the Medici remain connected to the house of God. 4 Medici family members would go on to be appointed pope and leaders of the Christian faith.